creating shorts for YouTube. Hey everyone, this is Tom with Tom's Tech Show, and I know YouTube came out with this shorts feature, and I've been racking my brain trying to, what can I do? Kind of, I'm not going to go dance through a data center or anything like that, but I figure what I can do is go through different individual commands in different applications, different programming that that I use. I'm starting with PowerShell. That's got a ton of commands that I can go through and publish, one or two a day. And set it up so I've got actually an OBS template set up so that I've got the video on top and I've got a big block underneath for the PowerShell commands, and I've made it big enough, the font big enough in the PowerShell window so that no matter what device you're viewing it on, you should be able to read it and see what's going on and be able to understand what the video is about and how to do it. Just some really quick education thing. You're going, what is this command? Well, let's go. You can go find out and see a practical application of how to do it. So I have this OBS template and I set my phone up. I have my phone set. I set it up so that I've got, just a 1 minute and 2 second timer. So I'll hit the start and then I'll hit the record on OBS and get it going. So there's about a 2 second delay between that and that I know on this timer if I'm talking and I'm not paying attention, I'm getting a little long and the alarm goes off, then I know that was too long. I need to stop and redo it. So that's happened a few times, trying to get my speaking down and what I want to relate down to where it's within that 1 minute time frame. So now the issue, once I get a video down, so I've got I've done the OBS, I've got the video down, it's done. The problem is that OBS doesn't really support that vertical mode when you're recording. I mean, you can see here in this screen capture of my setup is that it's I've blocked off the sides, but if I upload this to YouTube and tell that it's a short, it'll ignore it because it's landscape. It doesn't it doesn't work. So I do have my editing program that I use for everything. It was not very expensive. I think it was like $80 or something. It does all kinds of things. I can do multi-track audio editing, multi-track video editing, add captions, add all kinds of things. My intro here, let's play the intro real quick. This intro right here was done. That was done with this Filmora Wondershare application. I had the little template. You can put in all the stuff to fly in and make it. I found the background moving background stuff on the internet and everything else to make that all happen. And so you can do quite a few things. But what you can also do is there's this up here, this top area here that I can pull this down. This is the aspect ratio of the video you're trying to create. Now, all I have to do is go from 16:9 and come down here to 9:16 and say new project. Okay, now we're going to come up this window. I'm going to have to shrink out this window to fit our display here just for handiness here really quick. Okay, so now we have a display and our video over here is going to be this small 16:9, 9:16 window. Okay, so the video that I've taken already that I'm going to import is the other way. It's wrong. So let's go here. It's this one, which is actually 1 minute. PowerShell start wait. So I can drag it on down to the timeline. Makes it really easy. Then it's going to ask me here, do I want to keep the media size or do I want to match it to my project size? So I'm going to match it to my project size. Boom. There we go. Now you can see that this up here in the window is all squished down and all that, so it doesn't really fit. But I can take it, move it up here, and then expand this out where it fits the window. Move it over a little bit like that, and boom, I've got a size and shape that will be perfect for my YouTube short. Now, next thing I have to do, just click export. This is going to be PowerShell PowerShell start wait. So that's going to be the name of the video. I hit export, and this is going to export out to this very small file that's a minute long, in the size that YouTube is going to understand as a YouTube short. So that makes it pretty quick and easy to do. Once that gets done, boom, it's done. Hit close, and we go to our channel, and I just say upload. Then you're doing the same exact thing that you're normally doing. So I'm going to videos, I'm going to say PowerShell wait, and it's going to start uploading that video. Okay. So then we need to make sure that we give it our description. No, I don't want to do that right now. Okay, give it our description. PowerShell start wait. I don't think any of this is seen during anything, but then we need to go shorts and PowerShell and start wait. So that gets all that pertinent information, even though I don't think any of that is seen when you view a short really at all, but it's set up. So, and I don't have to do a thumbnail at all because it's going to get the thumbnail by itself. I have a shorts playlist just for myself. These videos are automatically added to the shorts kind of grouping on your channel. So that makes that nice. So we're going to next, and we can kind of say, I don't know how monetization is working on that, but okay. I don't have any firearm related or hateful content or anything. It's just explaining something. So I could submit my rating, hit next, and then I'm going no copyrights, and it's suitable for ads. And then boom, I'm going to start with it. We're just going to go public with it anyway. It's already done. Go and hit publish. Boom. So now it should be in the channel as a new short. So, and these shorts are getting pretty good views. I don't know why, what YouTube is doing to push those forward and to get people to watch them, but they are obviously doing that. And since I am on this page, I just wanted to say thank you very much for the 2,054 subscribers that are on my channel. I appreciate that. Everybody makes wonderful comments and just helps each other and asking for information and everything else. That's a very awesome group here on YouTube. And that's how I push my shorts up. That's how I pull my shorts up. Here, let me show you. That's how I do my shorts to get them up onto YouTube. It makes it pretty easy to do it from my desktop. I do have to reformat it, like I said, in Wondershare Filmora, and that seems to be a pretty good program in order to do that. I'm sure you could do this with Adobe Premiere or anything else that's hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but this program for about $80 was a pretty good deal, and able to do pretty much anything that I need to do on my YouTube stuff. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about how I do this and how I set it up and everything else, just please message me on this video and I'll get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.